how to manage location or members in SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on connected devices. Then go down and tap on SmartThings. After that, select a location. So here I've got two locations, my home and IT Django's base. So I'm going to select that. Next, tap on the More Options button and then tap on Manage Location or Members. And here, if you want to add in a geolocation, so the location of where your home is, you can tap on geolocation. Okay, so you can tap on that, and then in the search box, type in the address that you want to look for, and then select the address. And then in here, we can tap on Saved. If you want to remove the geolocation, you can tap on the Delete button, then tap on Delete. Next, you can also choose a location mode. So if it's home, away, or night, so select one of the options. And then you can choose rooms. In here, you can add in multiple rooms. So in a house, you probably have maybe 3 or 4 bedrooms. So you can choose if it's bedroom 1, 2, 3, kitchen, living room, kids room, and so on. So select the appropriate room to add, and then tap on Done. So in family rooms, you can then add in a TV. You can choose a room wallpaper. So here, we can choose a room wallpaper. Tap on Save. You can also remove a room. You can rename a room if you need to. Then tap on the back key. So that is managing rooms in location. Next is members. So if you want to invite other members to use your SmartThings, you can do so by sharing a QR code or send an invitation link, or you can share a link. So here, if you have their Samsung account or email, you can send it. Otherwise, you can share a link. And here we can share a link. So tap on that. That will create a link, and then we can tap on Send, and then send the link to that contact. And that's it. So that is how you can manage the location. If you want to delete the whole location itself, you can tap on Remove Location, then tap on Remove. This will include all the rooms that you have created and any devices that you added to your location. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.